Okay, welcome muli po tayo sa ating second game for tonight between new team also, that's Oryx basketball team. Sila po parang kilala po siya pa sa ibang liga po yan, league circuit po like PSBQ versus playing in duet po, yan po ang Mechanicos. Okay, Mechanicos versus Oryx basketball. We'll just wait now for the opening whistle, and also thank you for Mr. Referee King and company po for maintaining the game in a neat and orderly fashion. Maraming salamat po kay SPB Doha, salamat po kay Coach, kay Team Kapitan. Second game now for this is Mechanicos versus Oryx basketball. Final game na po ito for this week, and afterward po, ang panibagong schedule na po this coming Friday. This is your aviation friendly league dubbed as a flying league. We'd like to find sponsors: LBC Pilipinas, LBC Team LBC, Hari ng Padala, and Thread and Needles. Sampo na po dyan ang SPB Pilipinas o SPB Doha Chapter and PSBQ Basketball League. Second game now for today. Now on the way, it's going for Mechanicos and Oryx basketball team. Hindi ko mababasin, malabo yung mata ko. Okay, final game for today between Oryx basketball team and of course Team Mechanicos. Okay, you're just waiting up for the opening whistle ng mga referees po natin. Kaya pa Sir King, Rep King and company po. Okay, first five. Oryx, si Archie, Barbosa, Masbang, Natur at si number, hindi ko mabasa, number 1, Pulintan. Kabila naman, Mechanicos, number 11, number 14, 22, 23 at si number 00. Mechanicos naman. Okay, Natur and 23 magdaharap po sa opening jump. Okay, opening jump now. Nice stop. And out of bounds kay Gakad. Balik po tayo sa team sa team white ball, sa Mechanicos po ang bola. Mechanicos again. Mechanicos now to number 23. 25 rather. Mechanicos binababa. Kalma. Hipolito. Number 9. Pops up for 3. Out of bounds. Balik muli po sa itim ang bola sa Oryx. Pulintan to Barbosa. Masbang, 2 points Masbang. 2 points. Op! Stepping on the line. Balik muli po sa Oryx ang bola. Stepping on the line. Pilalahanan po, pula po ang kulay po dito. Pula, hindi po asul. Okay. Nice si Barbosa. And Natur. Tumasbang again. Pulintan. Barbosa full position. Masbang for 3. Bang! 3 points. Masbang 3 points. Great share. Akain is already watching. Lemuel Andrade is watching also. Out of bounds. The score is 5-0. 8 minutes 25 remaining. Pulintan again. Binaba ang bola. To Natur driving strong. Nice one by Natur. Jarabe 24. Binababa ang bola. Jarabe. And to Kaliwan. Kalma, 3-second violation call. 23 again, call for the 3-second violation. The score is 7-0. 7 minutes 51 remaining. Barbosa for the inbound. Binababa ang bola. Eto na. Pulintan. Floater shot. No good. Binababa ang bola. Ngayon, eto na. Hipolito. 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 No good. Touch the legs. And malakas na pasa. Malakas na pasa ni Gakad. Balik muli po sa puti ang bola sa Mechanicos. O sir, balita. Nagduro ka kapon? Car park? O nga, sige. Back to the ball game tayo. Muli po tayo ngayon sa Mechanicos ang bola. Mechanicos ball. The Mechanics. Kalma. Jirabe. Jirabe. Pops up. Pops up. Hindi po. Pinasa mo na. Nakuha na yung Pulintan ng bola. Pulintan. 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 Malakas ang tira. Foul number 10. Pulintan. First shot. It's out. Second throw. Jumper straight tayo. Pulintan. Second throw. Jumper ready. Number 1. Pulintan. Pops up. It's in. 8-0. Binababa ang bola. 8-0 score. Kalma for 3. Nope. Rebound by Gakad. Now to Pulintan again. Pulintan. Binababa ang bola. Itong Masbang. Masbang. Malakas ang pasa. Di ba kayo ko si Masbang? Balik tayo sa ating laro. Kalma for the inbound to Kaliwan. Kaliwan number 10. Binababa ang bola. Kaliwan. Kaliwan for 3. It's out. Rebound by 23. Kalma. Kalma. Palpal. Natur. Good ball. Good ball. Kaliwan. Kick ball. Naging soccer ang basketball. Balik. Balik sa Mechanicos ang bola. Palpal, Masbang ang bola. Smothered by Masbang. Gakad. Barbosa, madulas ang bola. Hipolito, binababa ang bola. Hipolito. 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 Dish of pass. 2 points. Jarabe. 8-3. 8-2 rather. Gakad. Lost the ball. Lost the ball to Barbosa. And Gakad. No good. Kalma na ko yung bola. Kalma. Pops up. Kalma. No good. Rebound by Natur to Gakad. Gakad. 2 points Gakad. Nice shot by Gakad. Hipolito. Hipolito. Nahagap ng papasahan. Kaliwan. Pops number 3. Yes, sirree. 3 points. 3 points Kaliwan. Barbosa. Gakad. Masbang again. No good. Rebound back to Gakad. Gakad. Gakad again. 2 points. And change pair po tayo. Change player tayo. Second lineup now. Si number 0. Marasigan and Company sa kabila naman. And si Castro and Company. At si Ying also. Yung kailang leader, si Ying. Octavino, nandyan din. Ying, binababa ang bola ni Ying. Ying. Ying, no good. Nandiyan si Walter, palibas bang. Malasigan ang rebound. Pilao, and, oy, malakas ang pass ng Pilao. Pilao, the stalwart before sa extreme ball sa Qatar Contact Center. Nakuha, I think, on loan basis ni Melvin din. Ying, fadeaway shot. Foul called. Take two si Ying. Foul number 9. Ying, number 0, shooting for 2. First shot. It's out. Second throw, jumper ready tayo. Second free throw, jumpers ready tayo. Pops up. It's in. Okay, 12-6. Kalati po kalamangan ng Oryx. Pilao, binababa ang bola. Number 18. Siya ang ball handler ngayon. Pinasa kanino? Kay number 0. Rosana. Mas Barasigan. Pops up si Dwight. No good. Rebound by Pilao. Take pass. Dwight again. No good. Rebound by Castro. Now to Ying. Ying. Binababa ang ball ni Ying. Ying. Ying driving strong. Foul. Foul number 0. Rosana called for a foul. Ying shooting for 2 again. Ying first shot. It's in. Second throw, jumpers ready. The team lead down to 4 points. Ying, second throw, jumpers ready. Pops up. Ying. It's in. Both basket made. Okay, si Walter nandiyan na din. Yan. Isa mareglo stalwart po ng Mecanicos. Pilao. Pilao, binabang bola. Then, pops up. No good. Nakuha ni number 7. Number 7. Foul called. No, it's standard violation. Pilao, pops up for 3. Kapos. Okay, balik mo po sa Mecanicos ang bola. Mecanicos to Walter. Walter, binaba ang bola. Walter. Octaviano. One more time. Nakuha, intercepted. Foul called. 87 called for the foul. That's Max. Boy Max rather. Dwight, pinasa mo na binalik sa kanya. Binababa ang bola. Barasigan, pops up. Wala. Walter. Binababa ang bola ni Walter. Walter! Foul called. Walter, 2 shots given kay Walter. Rosana called for the foul. Walter shooting for 2. Pops up. It's out. Second shot jumper shot tayo. 2 minutes 18 remaining. First quarter action. Walter, second throw, pops up. It's out. Marasigan, di na kinuha ang bola. Inbounding Marasigan. To Pilao. Rosana driving strong. Naipit ang ote. Double team. Hard ball situation. White ball. Sabi, white ball. Ying. Octaviano pops up. No good. Rebound. Kick pass kay Pilao. Intercepted by Walter. Walter. And to Ying again. Ying. Pops up si Ying. 2 points Ying. Ying 2 points. Marasigan. Dwight. Intercepted. Foul. Niyakap. Niyakap. Yakap Sul. Okay, niyakap. Ying. Binababala. A minute 7:16 remaining. 12-10 score. Joy Max. Ying. Nice pass. Nakibarasigan. Dwight. Lost the ball. Ying. Joy Max. Octaviano. Joy Max. Pops up. No good. Rebound battle. One by Walter. Walter tap. Nice one by Castro. Castro. Tablados tayo sa 12. Marasigan. Nawala ang bola. Ying. Ying. Octaviano. Pilao. Pinapantayan. Up. 21 seconds remaining. Tablados tayo sa 12. Napako tayo sa 12 pareho. Walter inbounding. Joy Max. Pops up for 3. Nope. Rebound. Rosal. Sana. Pilao for 3. Tapos. And Octaviano. Octaviano palpal ni Marasigan. Foul. Foul called. 2 shots for sure given to Castro. Castro first shot. Nope. Second throw by Castro. Jumper ready tayo. Okay. First quarter ended. The score is 12-all. Magbabalik po ni muna tayo. Before that, you're watching right now the game between Mechanicals and Oryx basketball team. This game is sponsored with the following sponsors: Team LBC and Thread the Needles. Of course, PSBQ and SBB Philippines. Second quarter start right now. Black ball. Black ball. White guard, black. Black offensive. On the offense, offensive. Okay, number 7, Kobia, inbounding. Pops number 3. Bang! Okay, again, the open. Oryx basketball open again. The Salvo with his own 3 points. Jarabe. Talisik, pops number 3. Tapos. Komia. Pops up. Malakas. Talisik, naka-rebound. Talisik. Hipolito for 3. No good. Rebound, Talisik. Muntik pa. Nice rebound by Talisik. Talisik, number 17, shooting for 2. First shot. It's out. Second throw, jumper ready by Talisik. Second throw, Talisik. It's out. Rebound by the Oryx boys. Number 11. For 3 again. No good. Rebound. Nice putback sana. No good. Talisik binabantayan. Nice cut. Pops up. 2 points. (17-12). Lamang po ng 5 ang Team Oryx. Talisik. For 3. Bang! 3 points. Talisik. Talisik 3 points. Wow! Okay, 2 shots given para sa Oryx. Pops up. It's in. Number 1. Shooting for 2. First shot made. Second throw. Jumper shot ready for number 1. Oryx basketball team. Second throw. No good. Kapos. The score is 18-15. 8 minutes 15 remaining sa ating second quarter action. Bernard Macal is watching. Jonas Manapat is watching. Talisik. Nice cut. Number 2. Nice one by number 2. Binababa on the run. Cut. Number 7. Talisik sa bola. Nope. Kick ball. Okay, balik muli po sa puting bola. Hipolito, binababa ang bola. Hipolito. 18-17. 7:31 remaining. Hipolito. Talisik. Pops up. Bang! Back-to-back basket by Talisik. Bola, bola, bola! Back-to-back basket, Talisik, change, pops up again. Nope. Rebound, battle 1, another one try. No again. Number 7. Malakas. Okay, that's it. 20-second shot clock violation. Balik po ni po sa Mechanicos ang bola. Mechanicos enjoying now a 2-point lead over Oryx. Timeout called by Melvin and his Oryx. You're watching right now Aviation Friendly Doubles of Flying League. We'd like to thank the following sponsors. Una po ang Thread the Needles and Team LBC, hari ng padala. Sampo natin po ba ang SPB Doha and PSB Basketball League. Ongoing game now is for Mechanicos and Oryx Basketball Team. Back to the ball game. 6 minutes 26 remaining. Lamang po ng dalawa ang Team Mechanicos. The Mechanics are in the lead. Hipolito, nice cut. Out of bounds. 13-second shot clock.
14.
Talisik, inbounding. Jarabe. Talisik again. Nice cut. Nice steal. 8 seconds remaining.
8 seconds.
Nice swipe by number 11 of Oryx. 23. 2 points, 23.
Next time. Kalma. Number 11.
No good. Pops up. Malakas. One more time. 2 points.
Pero pang next mala.
Hipolito. 20-22 score and Mechanicos on the lead. Gerard, nako, traveling violation code. Okay, change 5 tayo. Change 5 tayo. Okay, si Masbang, Melvin and Company, pumasok na rin. Melvin pinasok niya against Octaviano and Company naman ng Octaviano Ying against of Mechanics or Mechanicos. Gakad, inbounding. Pulintan, Melvin pops up, malakas. Kalma. Kay Ying. Ying. Down. Not counted. Not counted. Foul number 1. Down. Ying. Kalma. Kaliwa. Octaviano. Lost the ball. Natur. Melvin. No good. Okay, Natur 2 points. And Kaliwan. Ying. Dish of pass Castro. No good. Rebound. Masbang. Nope. It's Ying. Rebound battle. Masbang again. Tinayon lang. Melvin. 2 points Melvin. 2 points Melvin. Kalma. Pops up Ying. No good. Rebound. Number 11, Kalma. Called for the foul. Masbang for the inbound. Okay, binigay number 1. Number 1, binababa ang bola. Stay Natur, driving strong. Masbang for 3. Nope. Rebound Kalma. Gakad. Foul called. Gakad called for shooting for 2. Gakad shooting for 2. Akop shooting po yan. Gakad first shot. It's out. Gakad second throw. Jumpers ready. Gakad second throw. Jumpers ready. Pops up. It's in. Timeout called by Team Oryx. Alright. The score is 25-22. 2 minutes 49 remaining. Second quarter action. Game. Okay, on the offense is Team Mechanicos. 25-22, 2 minutes 40 remaining. 2 minutes 49 rather. Kaliwan kay Kalma. Pinasa kay Kalma. Kaliwan again. For 3. Nope. Kalma. Nawala ang bola. Gakad. Red shirt is in. Melvin. 2 points Melvin. Castro being guarded by Melvin. Kaliwan. Octaviano, no good. Binato. Masbang. Masbang. No good. Ying. Ying. Driving strong. Jolens. No good. Rebound by Calma. 2 points. Calma. Calma, 2 points. Natur. Natur. Natur to Melvin. Melvin again. 2 points, Melvin. Melvin, 2 points. Octaviano, lost the ball. Again, Gakad. Gakad. Oh, 2 points, Gakad. Gakad, 2 points. Octaviano. Kaliwan. Ying. Sayang. Okay, Ying shooting for 2. 59 seconds remaining sa ating second quarter action. 31-24. Laman po ng 7 ang Team Oryx, the Black Boys. The men in black, kumbaga. Ying. First shot. It's out. Second shot ni Ying. Jumper's ready.
59 seconds.
Second shot ni Ying. Jumper's ready tayo. Pops up. It's in. Number 1. 2 points. Paul Mark Corpus is watching. Bernard Macanil is watching. Thank you po, sir. Castro, Ying. Ying, driving strong. Double dribble. Dumikit. Dumikit. Masbang. Foul on Calma. Masbang shooting for 2.
For number 11.
Last shot niya. Last shot. First shot is good. Second throw. Jumper's ready. Good basket made. 10 po kalamangan na po ng Oryx. Nice! One by Kaliwan. Last shot. They will take the last shot. Natur. Masbang. 2 points. Gakad. Sayang. That's it. Second quarter is drawn to the close. Laman po ng 10 ang Oryx sa men in black. 37-27. Magbabalik po kami po for this third quarter action before we okay, watching right now the ongoing game between Mechanicals and Oryx basketball team. We'd like to, before that, would like to thank the following sponsors. Ito po ang Team LBC, hari ng padala, Threaded Needles, and of course, nandiyan po ang SPB Doha at PSBQ Basketball League. Maraming salamat po. Pag-enjoy muna po tayo for the final game for the day is Mechanicals and Team Oryx Basketball. Back to the ball game. Third quarter. Walang jote na ano tuloy. Okay, this is Mr. Holfilena, number 2. Inbounding. Kaliwan. Pops up. No good. Rebound. Calma. Lost the ball. So kumukunik ka sa akin. Okay, balik tayo. Barbosa. Pops up. It's out. Rebound. Pilao. Jarabe called for a foul. Barbosa for 3. Malakas. Out of bounds. Balik. Lost the ball. Jarabe. Joy Max, no good. Barbosa. Binababa ang bola. Pilao. Lost the ball. Oy, kick ball. Kick ball. Barbosa for the inbound. Nope, it's Pilao. Pilao to Barbosa. Barbosa, binababa ang bola. Barasigan. Pilao, 2 points. Sayang. Almost had it. Pilao's first shot. It's out. Second throw ni Pilao. Jumpers ready. Both baskets never made. Break. Kick pass. Nako ni Marasigan ng bola. Binigay kay Dwight. Pilao again. Sidestep move. No good. Good ball. Kaliwan. Number 3. Nice dish up kay Kaliwan for 3. Ayaw. Nice pass to Jarabe. Malakas nga lang. Traveling violation called. Seven minutes 43 remaining. 10 pa rin kalamangan po ng Oryx. Kaliwan. Nope. Barbosa. Kick pass kay Pilao. Pilao foul called. Sabo na po. Hipolito papasok para kay Boy kay Koy Max. Normal foul only. Barbosa for 3. Nope. Rebound Barasigan. Foul called. Marasigan. Rebound. Free throw also. Marasigan. First shot. It's out. Marasigan. Second throw. Jumpers ready. Aray ko. Marasigan. Second throw. Jumpers ready. Pops up. It's out. Calma for the rebound. Hipolito. Binabati ni Marasigan. Calma. Babagay boss. 37-27. Labang sila Melvin. I repeat. Labang sila Melvin. Kaliwan 2 points. 37-29. Melvin Kalamangan. Barbosa. Marasigan. Intercepted by Calma. 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 2 points. Pilao. Pilao driving strong. 2 points and 1 play. Pilao, 2 points plus bonus free throw coming up. 6 minutes 22 remaining. Pilao, bonus free throw. Pops up. It's in. 40-31. 6 minutes 20 remaining. Hipolito. Olfina to Kaliwan again. Kaliwan. Nakakuha ng pick. Ayun. Jerabe. Kaliwan. Wala. Out of bounds. Tap out by Oryx. Substitution. Walter in. Okay, open na. Pwede na. Okay, allowed. Third quarter, pwede na po. Volte, pinasok muna para Kaliwan para sa ano? Foul called. Penalty situation, Team Mecanicos. Baklaan, bote nakalit si Baklaan. Marasigan shooting for 2. Marasigan first shot. It's out. Marasigan second throw. Jumpers ready. 5 minutes 42 remaining. Marasigan pops up. It's in. Nothing but net. Number 2. Hilpolena. Walter nakalusot. Walter palpal. Pero pumasok. Nice shot by Walter. And Barbosa. Pops up. Malakas. Jerabe. To Kalma. Kalma. Binababa ang bola. Kalma. 6 seconds away. Fade away shot. Tapos. Nakuha. Nice one by number 10. Timeout called by Mecanicos. 4 minutes 53 remaining. Laman po ng supo muli po ang Mecanicos. No, Mecanicos sila yung bebe 2 by 10 points at 10-43-33. Laman po sila Melvin ng 10. This is Joseph with you, Arvin G. Vlog si Joe. I'm now here now live right now sa aking Martin Evarista channel. I delivering now the AFL or Aviation Friend League, Doubles of Flying League, Basketball League, courtesy of Qatar Airways. And back to the ball game muli po tayo. Score is 43-33, third quarter action. Balik tayo. Okay, si Baklaan reporting in already also para sa Mecanicos. Number 4. The famed number 4 ng Mecanicos nandiyan na rin. Baklaan. To Castro. Baklaan again. Binababa ang bola. Baklaan. Binababa ang bola. Against Natur. Castro. Against Masbang. Baklaan. Pops up. Nice one by Ying. 2 points Ying. 45-35. Mga bata, baka yung bola. Salamat. Pops up, number 7. No good. Rebound, tip. Baklaan, number 4, called for a foul. Penalty situation, Team Mecanicos. Al Natur shooting for 2. First shot. It's in. Al Natur second throw. Jumpers ready. Pasok si Walter. Al Natur second shot. Both basket made. 45-35. 4 minutes 4 remaining. 14. Baklaan, naipit. Jarabe. Ying, binali, wala. Masbang. One more time, Masbang. Masbang shooting for 2. 3 minutes 23 remaining. Masbang, first shot. It's in. Masbang, second throw. Masbang, second throw. Nope. Rebound by Talisik. Baklaan, pinasang Baklaan. Baklaan, 6 seconds away. Baklaan, minamadali. Baklaan, Castro. Stop and pop. Nope. Rebound by number 7. Wow, traveling violation call by number 1. Number 1 call for the travel. The score is 46-35. Lamang po na labisa ang Team Oryx, the Black Boys, or Men in Black. Black partially by Al Natur. Al Natur. Al Natur. 2 points Natur. Baklaan. Nice cut. Jarabe. Sa ilalim. Bukot. Malakas. Baklaan to Natur. Natur. Rebound by Natur. Number 19. Nice pa. Nice. Hustle play by Talisik. 2 minutes 8 remaining sa ating third quarter action. Ying. Baklaan. Ying pumposisyon. Talisik. Talisik. Nice one. Nice rap play. Rebound battle won by Oryx. Masbang. Number 1. Natur. Nice cut sana. White ball. A minute and 30 remaining. Talisik. Talisik. 2 points Talisik. (48-37) naman po ng labing-isa ang Team Oryx. Natur. Masbang. Foul. Reaching foul. Masbang shooting for 2 again. First shot, no good. Second throw, 55 seconds remaining. Masbang, second throw. Pops up. It's out. Rebound by Calma. Calma on the rebound. Aris Siris watching. Baklaan to Ying. Ying thinking 2. Cutters. Jereba. No good. Rebound na by the Oryx. Oryx. Tumatakbo. 3 on 3. No good. Nice rebound by Ying. Ying. Binababa ang bola. Ying. Ying. Wrap around. Baklaan. No good. Rebound by Masbang. Op. Same ball. Black ball. Nice hustle play by Baklaan. And now, Darica for the inbound. Nagkakita mapasahan to Natur. Driving strong. Darica. Kick pass. Pops up. Nope, it's Masbang. 2 points Masbang. That's it. Okay, 50-37 at a 13-point lead advantage being posted now by the Black Boys, Oryx basketball team, or the Men in Black. John Bacchiano is watching. Sige po, paki-like, share, and subscribe po sa aking channel sa YouTube po, Arvin G Vlogs. And please do like and share po itong video nito sa aking FB page naman po. Maraming salamat po. And back to the ball game. Third, fourth, and final quarter. Okay, Pulintan for the inbound.
White ball.
White ball daw, white ball.
Black ball.
Correction, black ball daw. Nadera, inbounding. Pulintan. Nadera, pwesto. Nadera! 2 points Nadera! Takbo mayaman. Nadera 2 points. 52-37. Calma for 3. Nope. Rebound by Ying. Ying, power move, foul!
Manasigan, third foul.
Manasigan, third personal foul. Ying shooting for 2. Pops up. Nope. Second throw jumper sa ready tayo para kay sa Nadera. Nadera. Ying, second throw, jumper sa ready, pops up, it's in. 52-38. 14-point lead by the Black Boys or Team Oryx, the Men in Black. The Men in Black, it's in. Melvin, top of the line, no good. Mahina, walang banda. Melvin hustle play. Di pwede, walang banda. Ying, no good. Pulintan. Wala. Rebound by Calma. Calma, kick pass to kay Kaliwan. Pops up for 3. No good. Intercepted by Gakad. Pulintan. Nadera. Laipit. Hipolito for 3. No good. Rebound, Manasigan. Pulintan. 2 points. Isa pa. Pulintan again. Out. Gakad, lost the ball. Hipolito, Kaliwan for 3. Hop. Number 9, Marisigan, 4 personal foul. Timeout. Okay, White called for the timeout. Team Mechanicals, what timeout? 54-438. 7:47 remaining. Fourth quarter action. Please do like and subscribe po sa aking channel, Arvin G Vlogs, for always basketball action being covered by yours truly. And balik tayo, 54-38. 7 minutes 47 remaining. Kamukhang ng tatay ah.
Number 9 for Mora.
Pero lalo, volleyball lalaroin yan. Okay, back to the ball kay Kaliwan. Shooting for 3. Kaliwan, first shot. It's out. Second shot by Kaliwan. Najib Magaben the series watching. It's in. Last shot. Last shot by Kaliwan. Kaliwan, last shot. Number 10, last shot. Jumpers ready tayo. Pops up. Nope. Gakad called for a foul. Pushing foul called. Kalma inbounding. Kalma for the inbound. Kick pass kay Baklaan. Baklaan against Nadera. Nope, it's Ying. Thinking 3. Ayaw niya. Pero na si Kaliwan. Kaliwan. Illegal pick. Hipolito ko for illegal pick. Balik tayo. Gakad. Inbounding. Pulintan. Binababa ang bola. Komya. Melvin. Malakas. Baklaan. Binababa ang bola. Baklaan. Baklaan. Nope. Nice stop. By Marasigan to Melvin. Melvin. Binababa bola. Melvin. Melvin. Pulintan. Pulintan. Jolens. Almost had it. Pulintan shooting for 2. 6:44 remaining. 54-39 score of 15-point advantage by the men in black, the Oryx basketball team. Second shot, Pulintan. Pops up. It's out. Rebound battle by Gakad. Nope. It's Baklaan. Baklaan. Binababa ang bola. Baklaan. Baklaan. Short pick and pops up. 2 points. Castro. Castro 2 points. Pulintan. Nagmamadali. Kick pass. Gakad. 2 points. Gakad. Transition play made by Oryx. And now to Mr. Kaliwan. 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 Hop. Kalma. Kalma. Thinking 2. Nope. Ayaw niya. Driving. Nakuha. Kay Melvin. Melvin. Malakas. One more time. Maybe it's Gakad. 2 points Gakad. Timeout called by Mechanicos. Nagbigay? Milagro? Nagbigay? Ha? Five minutes 49 remaining. 58-41. White ball. Baklaan for the inbound. Inbound. Baklaan. Number 4. Then kay Mr. Kaliwan. Kaliwan. Binababa ang bola. Ying. Castro. Malakas. Kalma. Nakiribang. Baklaan. Baklaan. Foul. Fishing foul. Naka-fish ng foul sa Baklaan. 5 minutes 27 remaining. Bola yung bola, mga bating bola. Bak pumasok yan. Magagalit sila. Baklaan, first shot. It's out. Baklaan, second throw. Basket made. Intercepted by Ying. Ying! Naku, malakas! Foul! Uy! Points. Number 7. Veteran move. Ginimitan ng veterano move. Okay, no, kalma. Kalma. Ying. Ying. Sumisenyas. Baklaan. Kalma, labas. Pero traveling violation called. Naipit ng konti. Nagchacha yung paa. 4 minutes 15 remaining. 60-42. An 18-point advantage now by Oryx basketball team. Number 0. Maling pinasahan. Kaliwan. Foul. Take 3. Kaliwan shooting for 3. Pre-idol. Bata. Oy, maglaro ko na sa car park. Ha? Kaliwan per shot. It's out. Second throw. Second throw. Tatlo yan. Second throw. Pops up. It's out. Last shot. Jumper's ready. Last free throw. Jumper's ready tayo. Pops up. It's in. 4 minutes 2 remaining. Stop. Nice one. Tap from behind. Nice steal by Ying. 3-on-0 remaining. And 1 play pa. Binigay ni Castro sa kanila. Castro, 2 points. Plus bonus free throw. 3 minutes 45 remaining. Castro. Bonus shot coming up. Castro, bonus free throw. Pops up. Pops up. No good. Rebound by Oryx. Barbosa. Number 7. Foul. Joy Max, papasok muna para kay Kaliwan. Barbosa. Number 68. No good. Rebound battle won by Oryx. Number 7. Barbosa for 3. No good. Rebound by Castro. To Calma. To Ying. Ying. Binababa ang bola. Ying. Ying. Foul. Dinig. Dinig na dinig. Ying, number 0, shooting for 2. 3 minutes 19 remaining. Ying, first shot. Pops up. It's in. Second shot, jumper's ready. 14-point advantage by Team Oryx. Pops up. It's in. Basket made. Foul! Number 19, first shot made, bank shot made. Second throw, jumpers ready tayo. Pops up. No good. Talisik ng rebound. Calma, number 11. No good. Barbosa for 3. Nope. 3-second violation. 2 minutes 50 remaining. Okay, labas muna si number 7 para kay Marasigan. Bola! Joy Max. Calma for 3. Nope. Rebound by Marasigan. Barbosa. Stop and pop. No good. One more time. Darkas pops up. No good. Rebound by Darkas again. Marasigan. Barbosa. Pops up. No good. Rebound. Joy Max. Calma.
Last 2 minutes.
Castro, foul. Castro shooting for 2. Castro shooting for 2. Pops up. It's out. Second throw. Jumpers ready. 1 minute 48 remaining. Last 2 minutes na. Castro second shot. Nope. Nice one by Calma. Okay, Pilao papasok na para kay number 11. Oryx. Barbosa. Lost the ball. Ying. Joy Max. Nawala ang bola. Pilao. Marasigan to Pilao. Marasigan. And 2 points. Nice assist. White ball last. That's white ball. Balik muli po sa black ball ng bola. A minute at 10 remaining. Barbosa, Marasigan. Barbosa. Pilao for 3. Kapos. Out of bounds. 48 seconds remaining. Fourth quarter action. Calma. Ying. Joy Max. Pops up for 3. Yes, sirree. 3 points. Joy Max. 44 seconds remaining. Barbosa. Foul. Foul. Ying. Marasigan shooting for 2. Penalty situation. Team Mechanicos. Oryx looking already to take win number 1. No good. Second throw.
34 seconds.
34 seconds remaining. Pops up. It's in. 34 seconds remaining. Joy Max. No good. Ying. Running shot. Wala pa rin. Marasigan. Okay, safety basket na lang tayo. Pilaw. Marasigan for 3. No good. Ying. 2 points Ying. Okay, that's it. You've watched the final game for today between Mechanicals and Oryx. And congratulations for winning win number 1 over the Mechanicals. This game is brought to you by Team LBC, Hari ng Padala, and of course, Thread and Needles. Sama natin po dyan po ang SPB Do and PSBK Basketball League. Muli, ito po ang Aviation Friend League, the Basa Flying League. Be back again po for another basketball action on Fridays and Saturdays at your same channel. Arvin G vlogs with you, and of course, Martin Evaristo FB page. You've watched now the end of the game between Mechanicals and Oryx basketball team.